Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve this problem on network overdosed on Honeygain. If you are earning on Honeygain and all of the sudden the thing stop earning and is showing you network overdosed or network overused, how are you going to get rid of this problem? This is what we are going to be talking about in this video tutorial. Okay, before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you are hearing my voice or first time you are coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel on how to make money online with your smartphone. In fact, anything that has to do with money making updates, we share them here every blessed day. So all you need to do for you not to miss out is to hit on that subscribe button showing on your screen and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we release new videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. Okay, this is my backup channel. As you can see, over 1,000 people have subscribed to here and they're following up, so make sure you are among the family. Okay, then I will be showing you guys how you can do this. But before we proceed, at the end of this video, if you are not in my WhatsApp group or if you are not in my Telegram group, so make sure you can join. And then if you have interest in joining this platform, if you have interest in making money online with your phone for free, make sure you are in our WhatsApp group, for where you can always get our registration link to all the sites we share is from our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group. That is where you will always get the registration link. That is the reason why I say if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group, make sure you join. Okay, let's proceed guys. Okay, that's the screenshot from user who complained to me about this issue, and then I want to show you guys how to get rid of it. So before I proceed, for those of you who are watching this video for the first time, or those of you who are hearing about this platform known as Honeygain for the first time, I'll briefly explain how you actually make money on this platform, and then I will tell you how you get rid of this problem known as network overused. Okay, so what is Honeygain all about? Honeygain is an internet earning platform where you can actually earn money when your internet is connected. All you need to do is to make sure that your data is on and then it's earning. And this application can be connected to multiple devices. And once it's connected to multiple devices, you can actually be earning money faster. You can earn faster. And the minimum payout is $20. You can see once you reach $20, what you are going to be seeing here is request payout. You can place the withdrawal to either your Binance account or PayPal account. I'm always recommending Binance, because when you use Binance, that is when you will withdraw for free without any charges. And if you are using PayPal, you're going to pay charges of 15% of whatever amount you are withdrawing. So make sure if you are placing withdrawal on this platform, you use your Binance. And one sweet thing about this platform is that it is totally free. It does not require you to invest any money. When you go through this platform, you see that there is no any option to make a deposit or any option to withdraw. Any option to recharge. The only option you will see here is only request payout, which means it is 100% legit platform. Okay, and this update is coming directly from Sparky, aka Legit Boss. So it is free and it is simple to earn. Then another way you can earn is when you invite your friend. And then what's sweet thing about this platform is that when you sign up with somebody's link, you are going to get $3, and that $3 will help you earn faster. And if you did not sign up with anyone's link, you are not going to get anything like bonus, and before you can earn, it will be difficult for you. But when you get this bonus, it will really boost your earning. Okay, so you need it. That's the reason why you need to sign up with someone's referral bonus code. It is called promo code. You use it to register. Okay, so that is it. And then this $5 you are seeing here, anybody you invite, you are not getting that $5 instantly. Actually, that is the truth. But this person you invited is going to get it. This one here, you are not getting it immediately. You can only get it if the people you invited are earning, and then you are earning. When you click on the info logo you are seeing on the screen, you can see you can collect $5 until your friend reaches the $20 payout threshold, which means they said it is only when they reach the threshold, that is when you can collect, to prove that they are human beings, that they are not robots. That is when you can actually collect this money. However, this money also drop when they are earning, unless the one is dropping is actually indirect bonuses. We don't really know. But when your downline reaches this amount here, place withdrawal, I think this $5 will drop in your account, because that is what they say here on the write up. Okay, so you can connect multiple devices. How to earn faster, I made video yesterday on how you can earn faster. So how you earn faster Like for example, if you have two phones, as you log in, you register with one, you download the app again on your other phone, you sign in with the same account. So it is when your data is on, you can leave your data can be on and it is earning. Now, is it consuming data? Is it data consuming? The answer is capital no. It doesn't consume data. Okay, maybe it will even be reading KB, not even up to MB. So that is it. It doesn't consume much data, and you'll be making a lot of money from this platform. And when you actually, or let me just say, when you finally complete this minimum payout here, that's about 32,000 naira we are talking about, guys. Okay, 32,000 naira for free. So that is the equivalent when you convert this $20 to naira. And then have also made video on how to withdraw. Now let me answer the question which made me to be making this video. Now, when your network is showing you overused, it will be showing you on your screen and the app will stop earning. How do you get around this problem? Come to this place here more. When you click more, click on setting. When you click on setting, you see this place, share internet and earn. Turn it off. When you turn it off, turn it on again. Then go back. The goal is to reload this dashboard. Do you understand? So once you reload this dashboard, even if your bees are sleeping, most times they will wake up. And then if you do it like this and it didn't work, what do you do again? You reboot your phone, off your phone, and then on it back. Once you do these two things, it will start working. And every time the thing show you like this on your screen that your network is overused, network is paused, network is overused, to get around this problem is to just do these few things I have just done in this video, and then it will start earning back. Withdraw money anytime. Payment is fast as flash. When I mean flash, it is very, very fast. It was day before yesterday I placed withdrawal. Very fast. Within seconds, let me just say, within 50 seconds, not even up to 1 minute, the money was credited to my Binance Web3 wallet, and I was so happy. And I'm so happy to also share this update. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any other question, comment below. Like I said, our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. If you're interested in joining us, if you're interested in making money online, you can join us there, and then you'll be making money with us with your smartphone for free. So that's it. And if you are not following us on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified. And also share this video to friends and family so that everyone will know that there is money online, that people can actually use their smartphone to make money. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.